Kevin here, Captain Fishing. Today is Wednesday. Go to work tonight. Yesterday, me and my wife took the little boat out. Did real good. Motor runs like a champ. Didn't have any issues. Everything went just as planned. But this morning, going to do a little creek fishing. A buddy of mine owns some property. It's got a creek running through the back of it, and we're going to go over there and see if we can get into some fish. I don't think it's been fished that much, but it is private property. I do have permission to go and fish on it. But anybody that knows anything about this area down here, there's an amusement park called Lake Winnipesaukee, Lake Winnie for short, W-I-N-N-I-E, with huge carp in the lake. People feed them popcorn and stuff like that. There's hundreds of these things. This creek I'm going to is a exit for that lake. Now in the fall and winter, they'll drain the lake. It's a spring-fed lake. They cut the dam off and they drain it. So these fish, some of them, I'm hoping, escape into this creek. And I'm gonna try to get on some carp today. But anyway, stick around. Let me get loaded up. Let me call my buddy here and tell him I'm headed his way. We'll be back in a few. All right, we made it down here to the creek. Got all this, had to come out this little kind of made road with the tractor. Got down here to this creek, and it looks pretty daggone good, if I have to say so myself. But start out just using this night crawler bobber. See if we got any action at all in this little creek. There's a deep hole here, and it gets shallower over there. There's a bite. My slack out there. There's another little deep hole down here. There's just not a whole lot of. There we go. Here's our first fish for the day. Little one. Thought we might have some carp action down here. I'm not sure if we do or not, but we might throw a rod out and just let it sit and soak with some corn on it. I'm going to have to hook up a small hook. Got a number 8 hook to use, which is a pretty small hook, but they don't have real big mouths. There we go. Good deal. There are fish in here. I heard there were bass in here. Of course, all kinds of little sunfish. There's a bite. Good thing about this right here where I'm at is kind of a lull in the water. It's not a really fast running creek. There we go. I got that one off. Got him back in the water. Just trying to try a few different spots here. There we go. This is a fun little creek. It's a little different species there, I think. Open your mouth. Get my pliers in my other pocket. There we go. Pretty little fish. There he goes. All right, let me get baited back up. Be right back. There we go. Another decent little one. Pretty little one anyway. Not decent in size, but decent in numbers. I don't have a sinker on there. I'm just letting the worm kind of float down by itself. There we go. That's better. I don't know. Yeah, that's a lot better. That might be a little catfish or something. A little bass? Catfish. No. Big old bluegill. That's a pretty fish right there. Golly. Get a picture of him. If I can find my phone. Here it is. Right. That was a fresh piece of night crawler on. There's a bite. This bobber's not ideal. I don't think I have what I need in my tackle box here. I lost my other bobber. I don't think this is, I need one of the tubes type or cylindrical, I guess you would call it, style instead of just the big round bobber. I'm gonna have to look and see if I can find one. I just don't want to quit. I don't want to quit fishing. Usually if I don't get a bite within about 30-45 seconds, I just find another spot. Like right there. There we go. Little fella. Yeah, by the time this bobber starts moving, I should already set the hook. So that's, there we go. Let me take a, that's a good one. Oh, get out of it. Get that little log right there. What we got? Strong little bluegill. All right, we're gonna walk right down here. There's another little spot that I think we can get to. There's almost a spot right there. I know how my luck goes, but I'm gonna try it one more time. There we go. There's a bite. Gotta keep my slack out of it coming down this creek. There we go. That's a little better. It's a lot better. Find that hook. See, night crawler. There it is. We got it pretty deep. There we go. Nice one. Back in the water. Caught that one on a piece of corn. Just thought I'd try it. It worked. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the colors in that thing. Oh, I got him. I didn't think I had him. Another nice one. There we go. All these fish are pretty healthy, pretty fish. And I like to jump right in the water. There we go. Oh, it feels good. Loosen that drag a little bit. What we got? That's a really good one. Golly, he's fat. Golly. He's got this little ultralight doubled over. Daggone. That's a hoss there. Good old North Georgia Creek bluegill. Trying to get to my phone. It's in my left hand back pocket there. Cool. Let's let this big fella go here. He even made a big splash. Let's change it up. I'm gonna get some night crawler. I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. That's a big one. That's a good one there too. Maybe. Ah, he's not as big as he feels. What is it? Golly. What is that, John? Is that a rock bass? Rock bass or... I don't know. Good picture of him. Send that to my creek expert, John at Creek Fishing Adventures. They can tell me what that is. Piece of corn. Let's get him back in the water there. Cool. Let's get some more. Be back. All right, let's try this again. Had a good bite over there. Oh, that was a big bass jump. Golly. There's bass in here, good size. All right, gonna call it a day. Fed the fish all the bait that was left over. Go to the house and get some rest. Get ready for church. Then I gotta work tonight. But I appreciate Mike and Vicky letting me come down here and enjoy this creek. It's pretty, it's quiet, it's shady. Their house is about 800 feet, 1,000 feet up that way. Here's his pump that he designed and built. He's got the water kind of dammed over here. And he's got this little wheel that spins around with that funnel on the end. That funnel goes underwater, collects water, shoots it through when the air, now it's shooting air through. And now water, so it's actually pushing it through this little pipe here, this little hose. This hose runs 800 feet up to his barn. And he's got a 300-gallon tank to hold water in. So that's pretty neat. But next time I come down, I may do a little exploring, maybe down creek, wading a little bit, maybe not, I don't know. I'm not much of a wader. But anyway, thanks again for letting me come out and enjoy this creek this pretty day. Anyway, remember, as always, enjoy your week, enjoy your weekend, take a kid fishing.